Good morning, students. In the previous video, you learned about the heating effect of electric current. But sometimes heating effect of electric current can become dangerous also. And how is it? Sometimes see what happens, there may be excessive current may start flowing, and when excessive current starts flowing, it can cause a short circuit at the house or any of the industries or factories. So how can you prevent this short circuit, or you can say how can you prevent this excessive current flow? This excessive flow of current can be prevented by using fuse, and fuses are used in every building, whether it is our house, whether it is the factory, industry, schools or hospital. I hope, children, that you all must have seen this fuse wire. These fuse wires are present everywhere. Okay, now what is the use of this fuse wire? This fuse wire consists of a special kind of wire. Okay, and these wires are used for making electric fuses. These are special wires, and what is the characteristic of this special wire is that this is made up of a special material which quickly melts and breaks when large current flows through them. Okay, so what will happen whenever large current flows through them? It will melt and it will break. And when it will break, what will happen? The current of your house will automatically go. So in a way, what is happening when it is melting and breaking, the current is automatically going. So that means you are safe from getting a short circuit at your house or at any of the buildings. So that is why fuse wires are very important, and fuses are used in many of the electrical appliances so that the electrical appliances do not burn due to excessive electric current. Okay, but nowadays we don't see this very oftenly nowadays, this kind of fuse. Nowadays we see this kind of fuse. This is called as MCB, or you can say, what is the full form of MCB? It is miniature circuit breakers. These miniature circuit breakers are used nowadays in place of fuses. Now what happens here, whenever high electric current passes through the wires, what will happen? This switch will automatically turn off, and it will turn off the current in your houses or schools or hospitals everywhere. Okay, so this is automatic. It will automatically it will get switched off. Here it gets automatically switched off, and here what was happening, the wire melts and it breaks. Then you have to again fix this wire. Okay, but here you have to only, it gets switched off, you have to switch it on after some time. So nowadays miniature circuit breakers are used for these kind of purposes. Okay, so we have observed the heating effect of the electric current and how we use it to our advantage. Now we have seen electric current or heating effect of electric current. Now we will see the magnetic effect of electric current. This electric current also have a magnetic effect. What you have to do, you have to take a cardboard tray from a match box. Okay, match box का जो जिसके अंदर match box sorry the matches होते हैं. Okay, that you have to take. Okay, this one, and you have to wrap electric wire few times. As you can see in the figure, the electric wire is wrapped around the cardboard tray, and then you have placed a small compass needle inside it, and then you have to connect these wires. Okay, the free end of this wire, it has been connected to a cell. Then you have got a switch, and then you have got a bulb. Okay, now what do you have to do? You have to bring a bar magnet near the compass needle. Okay, when you bring a bar magnet near the compass needle, children, can you tell me what will happen? You all know, you have studied in class 6 that what will happen? It will start a bar magnet. Whenever a magnet is brought near a compass needle, the compass needle will start showing movement. Okay, now what do you have to do? You have to move this switch to the on position. This is now off position now. Then you have to move the switch to the on position. Okay, now what will happen when you move the switch to the on position? When you move the switch to the on position, again you will see deflection in this compass needle. Okay, deflection means you will see that there is a movement in the compass needle. Okay, and what does this show? And every time this needle will show, you all know that it always, whenever you bring a magnet near the compass, or what this compass needle always points to the north south direction. Okay, so here also, when we brought the magnet close to the needle was getting deflected. Okay, so in the same way, we will also see that whenever current is also flowing, at that time also the wire will start behaving like a magnet. And this was first of all observed by Hans Christian Ørsted. Okay, Hans Christian Ørsted, who observed this. He was the first person who noticed the deflection of compass needle every time the current was passed through the wire. So whenever electric current passes through a wire, it will always behave like a magnet. That means just like a magnet, when magnet is brought towards a compass needle, it shows deflection. In the same way, electric current, whenever passes through a wire, it will start behaving like a magnet, and this is called as the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, and so, and nowadays, see, electric current can be used to make magnet, and this we will study in the next video. Thank you, children.